You know well I'm a chicken fried, and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.
Bright light city, gonna set my soul, gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn, so get those stakes up higher. There's 1,000 pretty women.
Bobby Miller here, woodshop teacher at Coon Rapids High School. I am headed down to Las Vegas next week for the biggest woodworking fair in this hemisphere this year, AWFS in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'll be down there. If you're a teacher,
Bright lights.
Like summer.
Just get.
This is how.
so if you look at the hot dog, I don't know if anybody can see it. There's a scratch there, and you're probably going to need a Band-Aid.
I'm gonna see my baby come face to face. Gonna let the good times roll. I'm gonna dance a little jig all over the place. I'm gonna let the good times roll.